Привет! Как дела? С Новым годом! С новым счастьем! We say these words to each other when the new year has already came, and literally they mean congratulations with a new year, with a new happiness. This tradition also came to us from the Soviet Union. So as we promised, today we are going to talk about Russian New Year's table. Generally, New Year's table depends on your own preferences. There may be different salads, meat, fish, side dish, a cake, candies, fruit, cheese, smoked sausage, vegetables, and so on. Here are top 5 dishes that should be on New Year's table in Russia.
Салат Оливье, салат селёдка под шубой, бутерброды с красной икрой, мандарины, шампанское.
Tell me please, have you ever tried these dishes and which ones would you like to try? I hope you liked this video and I hope you find out something new about Russian New Year's celebration. Wish you all the best. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So, goodbye. Bye.